Similarly, we had another client who said to us, you know, we see what you're doing getting content from outside and bringing that in and analyzing that, but we have a big problem with emails. This is internal content. Can you teach your system to read out emails? We're a bank. This company is a bank, and they get 40,000 emails a month, and they need to dispose, the disposition of each of those emails. Their responsibility to their banking customers, and they need to touch every one of those emails. So what we did with them, and what we're doing with them, is we're teaching the system to essentially identify the 5 or 6 main categorizations of disposition that they're looking for. For instance, a lot of the queries that come in are, I lost my password, how do I get online, I can't get online. Humans saying the same thing many different ways, and that's where the natural language processing machine learning is very helpful. So we're teaching the system to identify those kind of queries versus, I have a query about my bill. I need to know what the fee was that you charged me last month. Versus, I'm very happy with my mortgage. Do you guys do auto loans? Right? So there's upside as well as downside. So we're teaching the system, or rather their group of 300 customer service reps are teaching the system, and actually it's not the entire group, there's a core group of the best customer service reps. So side note, open parens, this technology allows you to institutionalize best practices and embed that into the software that it learns, and then you can roll that out across the broader user base, close parens. So we're teaching the system to essentially dispose of those type of queries and cut that down to a manageable few that really need to be touched and spoken to by a customer service rep. And as the next phase, once we've proven to them with a reliable confidence that our system is capable of identifying the right type of communications inbound from their banking customers, we're able to then apply a completely automated loop where, let's say, for instance, we're very confident that somebody says, I lost my password, I can't get online. We can then pass that query, we know who the customer is from the email, we know that we can get their account number from a database or programmatically, and we can pass a service request to their internal systems to automatically process that password change. And the beauty is, this is very transportable from one customer to the next, because remember, in our model, the users are teaching the system the domain expertise. So we could take it from financial services to biotech tomorrow, depending on what the customer service needs are in a different industry. Possibly the queries are around, where are my clinical trials? And how do I speak to a doctor? Can you recommend a doctor?